Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we're making spicy chicken sandwiches. So in a bowl, you're going to want to add mayonnaise. You're going to want to add hot sauce, smoked paprika, garlic powder, ground cayenne pepper, cumin, and onion powder. So we're going to add all of those in here. And then once that's added in, you're going to want to go ahead and mix it all together. And then we're going to add in some honey. So you're going to want to add the honey in and mix it all together again. And then it's just going to go in the fridge until it's time to start plating your chicken sandwiches. And flour, you're going to want to add Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, chilies powder, ground cayenne pepper. You're going to add some smoked paprika. You're going to add pepper, and you're going to want to add salt into a big bowl with the flour again. And you're going to want to add in just some cornstarch to make it extra crispy. And then you're just going to mix that all together. So we let the chicken marinate in the buttermilk for about 7 hours with the exact same seasonings in the fridge. And then we're going to throw some of that buttermilk into the flour. And we're going to mix it and start throwing in the chicken breast. Make sure you pat the chicken breast as it's laying in the flour. That's going to really make sure it's coating the chicken. And go ahead and flip it. Make sure everything's coated properly. And just shake off the excess flour. But yeah, just make sure you pat down on it. That's really going to make sure it's sticking to the chicken and get a good fry for it. And then in your oil, make sure your oil's up to 375 degrees and drop them in. You're going to want to flip them after 3.5-4 minutes. And in the meantime, we're going to cut some tomatoes for the chicken sandwiches. They're only going to fry for about 8-9 minutes. So after you flip them, set your timer again and take them out and you're good to go. And then on the buns, go ahead and add your sauce to it. I toasted these in the oven for it, so they're kind of crispy. But go ahead and add the sauce onto it however much you'd like. Put the chicken breast on top of it. So I did 1 and then 2. We're going to throw tomatoes onto both of them. And then we're going to throw cheese onto one of them. And then with the blowtorch, we're going to go ahead and just start smoking it down. Or melting it down, I guess I should say. However much you like, melt it down. Go ahead and throw the bun on top, and you are done. Thank you for watching, and enjoy.